Vault templates in RightCapital are a way for you to create a folder structure in advance within your advisor portal, and then quickly and easily apply that folder structure to one or more client vaults at a time. This can be done within the Templates tab of the advisor portal by navigating to the Vault subtab. To create a new template here, click the Add Template button. You can rename your template by clicking the template name. From there, you can begin adding folders to the template by clicking the Add Folder button on the right side of the page. You'll be able to name each folder, and the template will automatically save as folders are added. After adding all of your desired folders to the template, you can then apply that template to one or more clients by clicking the Apply Template button. This will pull up a window in the center of your screen, allowing you to apply that template to all clients, to entire client groups, or to one or more individual clients. Once you click Save in the lower right, the folders within that template will be added to the vaults for those clients. Do note that this won't replace any folders or files that already exist within the vaults for those clients. It will simply add this folder layout in addition to whatever files are already present. For more information on vault storage in RightCapital, please feel free to reference the resources within our Help Center or to reach out to the RightCapital support team for more details.